Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin. In this video I'm going to quickly show us some few updates on White Cash mining app. If you are following my channel, you've been following my channel for quite some time. I've been doing several videos on how to leverage on White Cash mining app, crypto mining app to mine this UGH token. I'm going to show you some new development. You can see the homepage interface is free and easy to navigate. There's no much cluster again. You come to referral page. There's no much things there again. Just straight to the point. You can see grow your team to generate your link. WhatsApp, you can share WhatsApp and your contact on Facebook. Rewards, you can see the rewards. You can remind your partners. You can see these are my partners. Some of them are in over 1 million of this token. You can see. Then you can see the mining. You can see AIGC NFT mint. If I click on it to tell me I've been exhausted, it says sorry, you're not able to mint NFT because the first limited 15,000 NFTs have already been minted. So that means I didn't know when this took place, so I didn't participate. You can see. Now another update that happened here was when you tap here initially, it will start minting. But now they have added recaptcha. So I think why they did it is because of robots and people that use applications or software to keep on the mining processes. So it's as you click on image that contains sunflower. This is sunflower. This is sunflower. This is sunflower. Let's see if I got it. This is sunflower. This is sunflower. This is sunflower. Let's see. Okay, I didn't get it. So let me try again. So it's not that easy like before. Unlike before, you just click on it to start. So but now you have to do the recaptcha. So you can see verification successful. So if I click here, now I have to do a short quiz. Say quiz to collect the keys, start mining to end goals. So for you to start mining, you must do another quiz, just a short one. So what's the value of 3 times 5? Which is 15. Click on submit. Success. Congratulations, you have collected today's mining key. Go mine it to end good now. So for you to mine now, you have to collect the mining key. For you to collect the mining key, you have to answer the quiz. First of all, you do your recaptcha. After the recaptcha, you do the quiz. After the quiz, you click on tap. You can see the mining has begun. So guys, that is the latest update. So you can see we are still expecting. I don't want to increase my minting speed. I'm okay with this for now. What I'm waiting for is this, for them to unlock this. So it's coming soon. So you can see the update. It's a very good update. The NFT update, the security. These are just a means of beefing up the security of the platform. So these are new updates that took place. Before here you can just click to exchange, but now for you to exchange, you have to click on exchange. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's a minimum amount of 800 US, 800,000 of this gold token required to be converted to UHGT. So as you get to 800, I can now do that. Let me check my balance. Okay, I have over 500 plus. So you can see before, if you click on exchange, it will just take you direct. But when you click on exchange, It's going to take you to, before this exchange wasn't there, before the option was around here. Once you click on wallet, it was around here. Just click on say swap or transfer. Now if you click on swap or transfer, this one, if you are swapping yours, like now I see have about 1.2 million of UHGT tokens. You just click on swap to swap. So there are a lot of updates. You can see the interface has changed and so on. So that is it for this video. You can see everything is looking well organized now. So guys, for those that have not started mining, you can start mining now so that you benefit from this white cash. I don't know when I'm going to launch on Binance, but I know there is potential with this coin. So if you can see, they're already having BUSD there. If I click on max, you can see the value of my coin BUSD. So, but I don't want to sell. You can see, you can withdraw to Binance. You can buy hook token directly from Binance. So, guys, this update is worth, it's worth it. They keep improving on the app and making it friendly, user friendly, and more secure. So, guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so they get notified each time I upload fresh content. And those that are already a subscriber, please don't forget to share this video. Invite your friends and your loved ones. Let them participate in this mining. It's free and you have a whole lot to get. Imagine if this coin is launched at 0.001 or thereabout. I have over 2 million of this coin. So you know how much I'm gonna get from it. So it's worth it. So keep mining for those that are mining, and don't forget to mine daily so that you get more of these tokens. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.